Hi everyone, welcome to Tim's 2-minute technology tutorial. Today we'll be looking at Classflow, a lesson delivery system from Promethean. More specifically though, I will be showing you how to upload your own PowerPoint and Google Slides presentations to Classflow so you can use them for your very own classroom. Here we go. Alright, so here's Classflow's webpage. We're going to go ahead and log in. If you don't have an account, it's really easy to create one. And you can actually use your existing Google account to sign in, which is what I did. So we're going to go ahead and do that, continue on into Classflow, and it's going to open up to Classflow's interface. So now we're going to go ahead and click on Resources, and we're going to click New, and we're going to scroll down to File Upload. Now what I recommend you do is you download your PowerPoint or your Google Slides presentation as a PDF, as it will open and it will upload very cleanly and very nicely into Classflow's resources. So here it is. It's going to pop up momentarily, and there it is. And it opens up your PDF as well as a lesson for Classflow. Now you can either edit the lesson or you can deliver it. I'm going to go ahead and deliver it. I'm going to open class so that way my students can connect, and they would open Classflow Student and use this code to connect and follow along with you in your class. Now you can use your own created lessons in Classflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Tim's 2-minute technology tutorial. Next time, I will show you how to search for ready-made lessons from Classflow's marketplace. We'll see you next time.